At the CES 2024 event, Asus, the renowned Taiwanese tech giant, took the spotlight by unveiling a diverse array of cutting-edge products. Among the highlights were the ZenBook Duo 2024, a dual-screen OLED laptop featuring a detachable keyboard, and the ZenScreen Fold OLED, a foldable portable display. Moreover, Asus demonstrated its commitment to the mini PC market, with the launch of the ExpertCenter PN65, expanding its offerings beyond the gaming center Krognook. The Asus ExpertCenter PN65 comes equipped with a choice between Intel Core Ultra 5 125H and Core Ultra 7 155H processors from the Intel Meteor Lake family, featuring Intel Arc integrated graphics. The Core Ultra 7 variant stands out with its additional CPU and GPU cores, higher clock speeds, and increased cache capacity. The mini PC supports dual-channel DDR5 48GB memory and dual PCIe M.2 2280 Gen 4x4 for speedy storage solutions. Despite its powerful capabilities, the ExpertCenter PN65 impresses with its compact form factor, measuring a mere 120 by 130 by 58 mm, making it an ideal space-saving choice for users. In the realm of connectivity, the ExpertCenter PN65 delivers a comprehensive set of options. It features two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, three USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, two USB 2.0 Type-A ports, two HDMI ports, a 2.5 GbE Ethernet port, and a 3.5 mm audio port. Notably, a configurable port allows users to adapt it for HDMI, DisplayPort 1.4, VGA, 2.5 GbE Ethernet, or RS-232 COM port functionality. Wireless connectivity is top-notch, with Wi-Fi 6 support or higher for all models, and some regions having the option for Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 models. The Asus ExpertCenter PN65 doesn't just shine in terms of performance and connectivity, it also stands out for its eco-friendly appearance. Constructed using FSC-certified materials and incorporating recycled materials, it holds eco-friendly certifications. The mini PC further boasts simplified management with an RGB boot status indicator, making it user-friendly. Toolless SSD and HDD installation facilitate easy upgrades, while an anti-dust self-cleaning system adds to the maintenance convenience. Engineered for reliability, the ExpertCenter PN65 undergoes extensive testing to ensure its robustness and ability to handle continuous operation around the clock. Whether used in business environments, server rooms, or other demanding scenarios, the PN65 stands as a dependable workhorse, meeting the reliability expectations of users who require constant system availability. Asus's ExpertCenter PN65 showcases the company's dedication to providing powerful, compact, and environmentally conscious solutions for the mini PC market. With a robust set of features, including impressive connectivity options and eco-friendly appearance, the Asus ExpertCenter PN65 stands as a formidable contender in the ever-growing mini PC landscape. Thank you for watching this video to the end. It is very valuable to me. Have a nice day and God bless you.